Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore consistent file exports for print with Adobe PDF presets, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Adobe application, whether it's InDesign, Illustrator, or Photoshop. Navigate to the file you wish to export. Go to the File menu at the top left of your screen. Choose Export from the drop-down menu. In the Export dialog box, select Adobe PDF as the format. You'll be prompted to choose a location for your exported file. Name your file appropriately, then click Save. Next, you will see the Adobe PDF Options dialog box. Here, you can select from existing PDF presets. To create a consistent file export, click on the drop-down menu next to Adobe PDF preset. Choose a preset that fits your print requirements, like high-quality print or press quality. If you wish to customize a preset, click on the General tab. Adjust settings such as compatibility and pages to export. Proceed to the Compression tab to manage image quality and compression settings. Set the options for color and grayscale images as necessary. Next, navigate to the Marks and Bleeds tab. Select any marks you require, such as crop marks or registration marks. Enable the Use Document Bleed Settings option if your design extends to the edge of the page. Then, move on to the Output tab. Here, you can adjust color conversion and ink settings as required. Once all settings are configured, click on the Save PDF button. Your file will now begin exporting based on the selected settings. After the export is complete, review the output file to ensure it meets all print requirements. If any adjustments are needed, revisit the Adobe PDF Options dialog and refine your settings. Repeat this process anytime you need to export for print to maintain consistency. By following these steps, you will efficiently restore consistent file exports for print using Adobe PDF presets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.